Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rust PC. First, ensure Rust is properly installed on your computer. Next, choose a server that fits your playstyle, perhaps a low-population one to start. Once in game, learn the fundamental controls for movement, looking around, and interacting with objects. Understanding these basics is crucial for your initial survival and progression in the harsh world of Rust. Take a moment to explore the keybinds. Your first priority in Rust is survival. Begin by gathering wood from trees and stone from rocks. Use these to craft a stone hatchet and pickaxe, which speed up resource collection. Quickly build a small, one-by-one base to secure your initial items and provide a safe respawn point. This shelter will offer crucial protection against the elements, wild animals, and other players during your first few hours. As you gather more resources, upgrade your base from wood to more durable materials like stone or metal. This significantly increases its resistance to raids. Utilize a research table to unlock new crafting recipes and blueprints, expanding your capabilities. Always secure your base with code locks or key locks, and consider adding external defenses like walls or traps to deter potential attackers. A strong base is key to long-term success. Once you have a stable base, venture out to explore monuments like the airfield or power plant for high-tier loot. Prepare for player versus player combat, as these areas are often contested. Practice your aim and movement to gain an advantage in fights. Consider forming alliances with other players. Teamwork can be incredibly beneficial for raiding, defending, and controlling territory. Rust offers a dynamic and challenging experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.